Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home.
Today is definitely going to be a busy day, but I want to show you some areas that I'm going to need to work on today. These are all clean and they need to be folded. These obviously need to be put away. And then we have the handy dandy dishwasher. I'm pretty sure these dishes are clean. This right here, I need to figure out exactly where it's going to go. So I need to declutter some sort of space to figure out what to do with that. You can't see what's back here, but that needs to be figured out as well. That's my work bag. I need to put it back in my car, but it's the weekend, so I can't really have it in my car. This is a gift that I need to put away, and I'm gonna show you what the back of my couch looks like. You can't even really see how messy it is because that is covering it up. This thing right over here. But yeah, I need to figure that out. And then I have some stuff on the side of my couch that I'll show you. All of this stuff right here, I need to figure out where to put that as well. One more thing I need to declutter. Look at this drawer. This drawer is a hot mess express. One more thing I need to do in my kitchen is clean the walls, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do that today. I'm on a time crunch. I have a lot going on. We have a football game. My daughter plays flag football. Y'all, she is so aggressive. She is so aggressive. I'm not really sure who she got that from because it definitely wasn't me. I'm a lover, not a fighter.
I have so many things on my plate today, and most of the things that I discussed with you, I'm not even gonna do. I ain't even gonna hold you, okay? I hope each and every one of you are doing well since the last time we spoke. You'll have to let me know below in the comments, how is your mental health? May is Mental Health Awareness Month.
These pillows are out of sight, out of mind. I'm gonna leave them here because these are really my decorative holiday pillows that I put different, pillow covers on. So I'm gonna just leave these right here. Now we need to just take care of the stuff right here, which the pink little bed thing can go in the closet in the hallway.
Let me tell you a little secret of how I keep up with my home. I have issues focusing on one spot at a time, so I'm gonna jump around and I'm gonna show you in real time how my mind goes crazy.
I might want to organize this just a little bit.
Example number 1, I'm only supposed to be putting something in here and I was like, it kind of needs straightened out. So I'm gonna hurry up and get that handled real quick, fast, and in a hurry. Nothing that I do as far as organizing and decluttering has anything to do with Pinterest. So if that's what you're here for, you in the wrong spot, okay? I'm just here to tell you, and I like to keep it real. I'm going to organize it to a point where I can fit things in the closet because it's behind a closed door and I really don't care what it looks like, to be honest with you.
Okay, y'all, this is much better, and now I can fit the little bed, which is right here, in the closet. But look how much room I have. I even have room on the floor. Let's leave the top alone. Okay, I just walked by my pantry because I had some things that I needed to put away, so I'm gonna just go ahead and work on this real quick. Pantry's actually not bad. Again, I just need to straighten some things up just a little bit.
You would never think. Don't go ask me what to do. Ignorance will never see. No, wasn't it for me? Why don't you just let it be? I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times that wasn't my good. Was you not on your knees? Wasn't it for me?
Now, I know I mentioned that May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and I decided I'm about to go hard. I'm going hard on affirmations, my prayer life, my meditation on the Word of God. I'm going so hard. I want to be transformed by the renewing of my mind, literally. So I'm challenging you, go hard with me. Pour love into yourself. It will make you feel so much better. I'm a worshiper by nature and by heart, or at heart. I don't know what the proper terminology is, but anyway, I love being in the presence of God with music. I feel like He speaks to me so loud and so clear. So if you like worship music, here are a few bands that I would suggest, and also just single artists. Fred Hammond, any CD, okay? Any CD will be amazing. Kim Walker-Smith, aka Jesus Culture. Jesus Culture, y'all. Ooh-wee. I have driven to concerts by myself to go see them just because I love them so much. Tasha Cobb, Shayna Wilson, Carrie Job. It just depends on what you really like. I still love Shekinah Glory and Donnie McClurkin. Also, David and Nicole Binion. So if you decide to listen to any of these artists, make sure you let me know. But I'm telling you what, it's definitely going to bless you. I just finished organizing my daughter's snack bin. She had 2 different types of Pop-Tarts. So what I did is I got out my black marker and wrote what they were. I made sure I didn't write it directly on the Pop-Tart, but on the wrapper at the very top. When I tell you that I'm very satisfied with what it looks like, it is a pantry after all. It's not supposed to be perfect. It is definitely not Pinterest worthy. I don't do Pinterest worthy organization over here in these parts. But what matters most is everything has a home, everything has a place. It's not dirty or anything like that. Here's some of the items that I decluttered out of here and I will be able to throw away. So I'm pretty excited about that. It's funny because last week, if you saw my video, you saw that I added some stuff to this cabinet, and I'm gonna just straighten this up real quick because it's really not bad at all.
Another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you
These 2 towels go in my half bath here downstairs, so I'll put those away. But then I opened this bottom drawer right here, Hot Mess Express. I've already taken this stuff out, but let me show you what else it looks like. Stuff is just kind of thrown in there, so we're gonna have to work that out.
So if this is your first rodeo here on my channel, one thing about me is I will clean the heck up out your house, your mama's house, my house, everybody else's house, but I'm not the best organizer. I just need things to be functional. That's it, that's all. You'll have to let me know below in the comments if you are a better organizer or a better cleaner. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you are going to take charge of your mental health this month, because once you put it into play right now, it's something that you'll continue to do. You'll crave it. You'll want to do it. You'll be addicted to pouring love into yourself because it helps you love God more. It helps you love your family more, and it helps you take better care of yourself as well.
Oh snap, she looking good, girl. But I have to add a few other things in here. There we go. That's what the final picture, or whatever you want to call it, that's what it looks like. It looks really good to me. And then here is the other drawer.
Now, I know I told you about 10 minutes ago that I had a gift that I needed to put away. Shout out to my nephew, Brian, for my Mother's Day gift. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate you. Yeah, so finally, 10 minutes later, I'm about to get this put away.
I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah, you know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already
So at some point, I realized the dishes in the dishwasher were not clean. So this is example number 2 of me being distracted by what I need to be doing. And I started washing the dishes. And then I thought about it like, just reload the dishwasher and rerun it. Duh. I was having a moment. I'm going to blame perimenopause. I'm just saying.
Calling the highest sky. I ain't got the urge to leave. Come stay a little while. I've grown tired of wasting others. Hold off, steer me right. Ongoing dried out silhouettes. I'm numb, you stay the night. Glory eyes for miles and days. Get out from under me. Troublemaker, plan my escape. The silhouettes keep me away.
A little earlier, I asked you if you were a better organizer or cleaner, right? Okay, so if you are a better organizer, let me tell you something. When you're cleaning off your dishes, make sure you clean the entire dish. So if it has a handle, make sure you clean that handle. If it has a bottom, which all dishes do, make sure you clean the bottom and the sides and the top. It's kind of like when you take a shower, you're going to clean everything, okay? You're going to clean your legs and feet with everything else. Therefore, make sure you clean the entire dish. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. In last week's video, I showed y'all that I kind of took you along with us to Buc-ee's. My daughter had to have this waffle maker. It's so freaking cute too.
Get out from under me. Troublemaker, plan my escape.
Example number 3, light bulbs on top of the refrigerator. First of all, why are there light bulbs on top of the refrigerator? But since there are, now I need to put the light bulbs away. But I took a box up out the cabinet. Listen, I got distracted, okay? So that was example number 3. I have so many more, but like, for real, you get where I'm going. This is how I keep up with my house. I feel like I'm all over the place at all periods of the day. Therefore, I'm getting a lot of stuff done. I'm covering a lot. Now, I'm not saying this is a good thing. I'm just letting you know because people always ask me, how do you keep up with your house and have a full-time job and a child that's busy? This is exactly how.
Glory eyes for miles and days. Get out from under me. Troublemaker, plan my escape. The silhouettes keep me away.
I also want to point out there has been more than 3 examples that I counted because I just went back and rewatched the video like, okay, Kim, there was way more examples. But I mean, I just be losing focus. Okay, that is the moral of the story. If you lose focus and bounce from place to place, it's okay because that is a really easy way to keep up with your home. There were also some things that I did off camera because sometimes it's easier to just do it rather than tote a camera and a tripod around because that is really time consuming. Anyway, I love getting to the stage where I'm sweeping my floor, and after this, I'm going to mop as well. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you are still rocking it out, please make sure you leave some purple hearts in the comments below, only because purple is my favorite color. Also, I hope you're taking this time to clean with me. Enjoy the music. Kick your feet up, have a drink of tea, coffee, whatever your preference is. That ain't none of my business, but thank you for being here. As I was sweeping, I noticed the vent on the wall was really dusty, and I'm about to show you what that looks like. So make sure you're not forgetting to sweep or dust off those vents.
And I don't belong to anyone. I let you in close for one night. When tomorrow comes, you know
When mopping my floors, I only use vinegar. Anything else I feel like leaves a sticky residue. You'll have to let me know below in the comments what you like to use to mop your floor.
Put your hand in my hand in between my thighs. Let the sun go down in another race.
Okay, party people, here's the issue that I'm running into. This, I have no idea where it's gonna go. My home is a 2,100 square foot condo and I have about 17 square feet of closet space. It's gonna hang out here until I figure out where it's gonna go. But I don't like a lot of stuff on my countertops. There is a birthday cake on my countertop because yesterday was my youngest daughter's birthday. She turned 15. Back to this. Y'all know I got issues focusing. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this. Every time I get this out, I think of my friend P-Dub Stuff, Miss Patricia. I love her. Make sure you're saying a prayer for her. She actually purchased this for me, so I'm very thankful. It works really, really well. In order to get it started, you just have to pump it like 3 times, which I'm sure you already saw me do. So now I'm gonna get my kitchen all the way together.
Let the sun go down in another race. Tell what you want, writing all the haze. Put your hand in my hand in between my thighs. Let the sun go down in another race. Let the sun go down in another race. Tell what you want, writing all the haze. Put your hand in my hand in between my thighs. Let the sun go down in another race. Midnight confessions. Midnight confessions. Midnight confessions. You Wednesday. Midnight confessions. Midnight confessions. Right. Midnight confessions. You Wednesday.
I'm gonna do a really quick speed clean in my half bath downstairs. I like to hand mop the floors down there because I don't really like using the same pad as I'm using around the rest of the house because it's just a lot of bacteria that you're passing around, and Kim is not about that life.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
Bathroom is holding up well. However, there's a spot right here that I really need to take care of. I will probably do that in next week's video. There's also a spot right here, and I obviously didn't sand that good enough, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it doesn't even matter. However, I will take care of that as well.
I'm getting these stools put back because the floors are dry now and I'm running out of time. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. You are worthy, you are amazing, and you are loved.
And with a snap of a finger, the floor is vacuumed thanks to the hubs. And as far as this, I'm gonna have to do it in the next video because I just don't have time right now.